Right now, the U.S. Supreme Court is considering a case that comes out of Louisiana, and it could have a ripple effect all across the country. This comes down to race and redistricting. Tonight, we're digging into the battle that could determine the balance of power. Voting rights advocates held a rally outside the Supreme Court Wednesday.
The people, united, will never be defeated.
Inside, Supreme Court justices heard arguments over race-based redistricting in Louisiana. In Louisiana, the congressional map was adapted last year to include a second black majority district out of 6 total, to coalesce with the fact that African Americans make up about a third of that state's population. A group of white plaintiffs argued that state lawmakers had impermissibly considered race in violation of the 14th and 15th Amendments. The Supreme Court's decision will almost certainly be felt nationwide.
I hope that the court writes a decision that is firm, that is airtight, and that forecloses any future challenges on those lines.
The Voting Rights Act of 1965, signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson, was designed to address racial discrimination in election policies. Wednesday, Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh signaled some skepticism about the continued need for what he called race-based remedies.
This court's cases in a variety of contexts have said that race-based remedies are permissible for a period of time, sometimes for a long period of time, decades in some cases, but that they should not be indefinite.
Voting rights groups warn that undermining some of the law's protections for redistricting risks, quote, wiping out minority representation and resegregating legislatures, city councils, and school boards.